Now you can see the cabinets behind me here are in great shape. Nothing needs to be changed here, but it's actually not a kitchen. It's a kitchen showroom that has a variety of different displays that can serve kind of as an idea center to give you different suggestions of things that you may want to change on your own kitchen. You can see how the doors look and different types of hardware, countertops and countertop treatment, more doors to choose from, as well as different hardware. There's a lot that can be changed in your kitchen by simply changing out the hardware. But this should be able to give you a number of ideas that you can use on your kitchen facelift. Usually the goal of these projects is to update the look of the room, and the best way to do that is to address the most visible surfaces. While you most likely won't replace all of the cabinets, you might replace the doors to give the existing cabinets more character, or maybe a simple paint job is in order. Replacing the countertops in the kitchen is a great way to get a new look, and it can be done very inexpensively with a plastic laminate material, or if the budget allows, use something more dramatic like granite to update the space.